Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a little treat, a little heart treat for my Valentine's special. You'll be needing some modeling clay, optional, you can use tan clay, but I don't have any tan clay, some purple icing, or you can have pink icing. I'm going to use both, and some red clay. And so, get your modeling clay, and I'm not going to do it heart, I'm just going to do it Valentine's, and you won't be needing this much. So I'll make it into a circle. Oh, and there's one more thing you're going to need. We're going to need a small circle cookie cutter. I made this by myself with the Pepsi can. I'll make a video about it. Okay, so if you're on a pasta machine, I don't suggest you put modeling clay through it because it's very sticky and very soft. But if you're using tan clay, then I suggest you can put it through the pasta machine. Okay. So you're gonna get this out. You're gonna pop out the circle. And yes, modeling clay is much harder to work with because it's so sticky. And so now you have that, and you're just gonna cut it right down the middle. Try not to mess up the shape, which I just did. Okay. So I'm gonna do it the easy way because this is so sticky. Just gonna get 2 pieces, roll them into balls, and flatten them. Or they stick to the table. So you pretty much can't put Model Magic on anything whatsoever, not even on your fingers, because it's so sticky. I'm like mad at it right now. Okay, so we got that. You got your 2 circles, and I'm just going to use the end of my paintbrush, get the smallest amount of pink icing, okay, so we're only going to be needing 1 icing today for the filling. So you put on your pink icing. I just touched it. Put on your pink icing, as you see here. And then you just put this one on top. So it just looks like a blank macaron. But it's not going to be a macaron. It's going to be a biscuit. Move that to the side. Okay. So then you get your red clay. And you can flatten out with your hands, or you can roll it out, or you can use your pasta machine. But if you do use your pasta machine, put it on the thinnest setting, because you're going to want this pretty thin. Okay, so hold it out. Then you take it off. And you want it pretty thin, so about this thin. And I'm just gonna stretch it out a bit. And I'm gonna cover it up. Wipe it off the table. Then you're gonna wanna put it on the card that I always use to swipe things off of. I don't know what always use it. Then you get your X-Acto knife or something to cut out the shape. And so then you cut out the shape. That's what I have. Then at the bottom it's pretty ugly, but nobody's going to be looking at the bottom. And so you do that. And so if you want to, now you can put on the pink icing or purple icing. I'm going to use my purple icing, then I'm going to put a little pink dollop on top. I'm going to wipe off my paintbrush because there's pink all over it. And you're just going to, at the end of it, with your paintbrush, get a little bit of purple on there. And you're just gonna, I suggest you do this on the card because it's gonna be hard to get off the table afterwards. Very hard. Okay. Don't forget the edges because you don't want anything to show. And make sure not to touch it with your hands, because then people can see fingerprints on it, and also it'll get stuck and then it's really hard to get off. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe off my paintbrush again. Or at least the end of it. Now it's clean, almost clean, and then you're going to get a little dollop of pink And I'm just gonna put it on top. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then you get a little bit of red. And you can make a little heart, or you can make it a cherry. I'm going to go with a little heart. And so now I have that. And there's a little heart on top with purple frosting and a little dollop on top of pink around the heart. And inside there's pink cream and squishy clay. So then if you want to make a little bite, then it'll be cute. But I'm not going to do that because I just don't want to do it because I think it looks cute right now. Okay, so I hope you guys liked watching this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye guys.